December's short days and biting air might seem like the end of gardening, but for us, it's just a new beginning. My patio pots, some empty, some clinging to autumn's last colours, huddle by the back door, quiet but full of promise. Winter gardening is about finding warmth and light where you can, not waiting for spring. Most people pack away their tools after the first frost, but there's so much you can do if you work with the season. Look at your space, patio, balcony, or windowsill. Not as dormant, but as a potential winter haven. That south-facing wall still holds warmth. That sheltered corner is protected from the wind. These microclimates are your secret weapons. The size of your garden doesn't matter. Ambition and creativity do. We'll learn to capture winter sun, amplify daylight, and choose plants that thrive in the cold. Even a few pots and a cold frame can bring fresh flavours to your kitchen when you need them most. The quiet of a winter garden has its own magic. It's about resilience, not retreat. Let's turn this season into a project that keeps your hands in the soil and your spirit alive. Let's get started. Before we dig in, let's gather our winter toolkit. Forget big spades. This is the season of pots, in all sizes. Glazed or plastic pots are best for winter. Terracotta can crack in frost. For warmth, use dark tiles or slate under your pots. They soak up sun by day and release heat at night. Bubble wrap or fleece blankets insulate roots from freezing. Wrap the pots, not the plants. Light is precious now. Make simple reflectors from white painted boards or foil-covered cardboard to bounce sunlight onto your plants. Place these behind your pots to double their light exposure. Good. Peat-free compost is essential. Holds moisture, but drains well. Choose seeds bred for cold. Winter purslane, hardy spinach, winter savoury. This isn't about fancy gadgets. It's about using what you have to create the right environment. With containers, heat holders, reflectors, and tough seeds, you're ready. Winter gardening is about smart choices, not expensive tools. Gather your essentials and let's make your winter garden thrive. Time to get growing. Winter gardening is all about maximizing heat and light. Plants need warmth to function. Cold roots mean stalled growth. Protect the root zone. A plant can survive cold leaves, but not frozen roots. Your garden is a landscape of warm and cold spots. Place pots near sun-warmed walls or close to the house for extra heat. Avoid open, windy areas and frost pockets. Light is energy. Short days and low sun mean your plants need every bit they can get. A spot that's shady in summer might be too dark now. Move pots to the brightest place you have. Weak winter light leads to spindly, pale growth. Our job is to create a buffered environment. No need for expensive heaters, just clever placement and materials. Use passive methods. Group pots, use reflectors, and insulate. The goal isn't to recreate summer, but to soften winter's extremes. With a thoughtful approach, your plants can thrive, not just survive. That's the real reward of winter gardening. Let's put warmth into action. Place pots on dark tiles or slate. They absorb sun and radiate heat back at night, keeping roots warmer. Cluster pots together in a sheltered spot. Like penguins, they protect each other from the cold. Wrap pots, not plants, in bubble wrap or fleece for insulation. Think of it as a winter duvet for roots. Raise pots off the ground with feet or wood blocks to prevent cold seeping in and to help drainage. Waterlogged soil is deadly in winter. Good drainage is key. These simple steps, tiles, clustering, insulation, and raising, form your defense against the cold. Layer your strategies for the best results. Now let's boost the light. Use a whiteboard or foil reflector behind your pots, facing the midday sun. This bounces extra light onto your plants. It's a light multiplier, helping even shaded plants grow stronger. Move pots to the sunniest spot you have, even if it's just for a few hours a day. Cleanliness matters. Wipe reflectors and leaves to maximize light absorption. A clean, cold frame or window lets in more light too. Good hygiene and smart placement keep your plants healthy and upright. Combine prime location, reflectors, and clean surfaces for a bright winter garden. Every photon counts. Make them work for you. Your plants will reward you with steady, healthy growth. Now what to grow? Choose crops that love the cold. Winter purslane, Claytonia, is a salad gem, succulent, mild, and thrives in frost. Harvest leaves as needed, it regrows for months. Winter hardy spinach, like Perpetual or Medania, sown in late summer or early autumn, gives you iron-rich greens all winter. Pick outer leaves and let the plant keep producing. Winter savory is a tough, peppery herb that shines in cold weather, great with beans and meats. Other hardy herbs, thyme, rosemary, sage. These plants don't just survive, they get sweeter and more flavorful after a frost. Fresh greens and herbs in winter are a real treat. Choose the right crops and your garden will reward you. Starting seeds in winter takes a little extra care. For late sowings, use a warm, bright windowsill or a simple heat mat under your seed trays. Fill trays with fine, moist compost. Sow seeds thinly and cover lightly. Cover with clear plastic or cling film to trap humidity, like a mini greenhouse. Once seedlings appear, remove the cover and give them as much light as possible. Keep compost moist, not soggy. Strong starts mean stronger plants for transplanting outside or into cold frames. A gentle, nurturing start is the secret to winter success. No outdoor space? Set up an indoor grow station. All you need is a shelf, LED grow lights, and trays for your plants. Hang lights just above your seedlings. Set a timer for 12-14 hours of light daily. Use heat mats for germination, then let the lights provide gentle warmth. Microgreens, radish, mustard, pea shoots, are perfect for this setup, ready in 10-14 days. This indoor oasis brings fresh greens and herbs to your table all winter. Tending seedlings under lights is deeply satisfying and keeps you connected to growing. Your indoor station is a bright spot when the world outside is grey. Step back and see what you've built. A thriving winter garden, inside and out. Pots clustered for warmth, reflectors bouncing light, and hardy greens pushing through the cold. Indoors, LED lights and microgreens keep your kitchen stocked and your spirits high. Each element, warmth, light, smart plant choices, works together in harmony. Your winter garden is proof that life doesn't stop for the season. It's a victory over the gloom, a splash of green against the grey. With simple techniques and a little care, you've created a source of food and joy. Winter gardening isn't about fighting the cold, it's about embracing it. Even in the darkest months, growth and creativity never stop. Your garden keeps your soul happy all the way to spring.